The Insight 2018 has a very special format. We'll start with an experience day, which basically consists of workshops that include music and somatic ways of experiencing altered states of mind. But that's not all. We'll have some people from the science part who will interview some of the participants, those who want to, of course. Then we'll have a science day where particularly young scientists present their results, and the roundtable sequence of the conference. Roundtables are discussions of about 20 people, and of course with all the conference participants too, that have the topic of integration. That's the first roundtable. So how do we cope with the psychedelic experience psychologically? Then best practices in the ceremony field, ayahuasca for example, psychedelic therapy, and the political and cultural side of it. These are the three roundtables. We hope that this is going to be a very fascinating, integrative way of putting the formats together. Those of you who participated in the drug science, it's a very different format. The drug science is the academic version, and the insight is bringing the academic together with what really happens in society. Welcome.